Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about some of the states of India. So let me recall that all those, then I will go to the next states. So which state has the longest seashore? Tell me children, which state has the longest seashore? Yes, Gujarat. Name the state which is known for its high literacy rate. Tell me children, which state is known for its high literacy rate? Yes, Kerala. Which is the smallest state in India? In terms of area children, which is the smallest state in India? Yes, Goa is the smallest state in India. Name the state where boat races are a very popular sport. Where you can see the boat race children? Yes, in Kerala. Where the boat races are a very popular sport. So next, which state means the jewel land? Which state means the jewel land children? Yes, Manipur. Very good. Lavani dance is famous in which state? Tell me. Lavani dance. Very good. Maharashtra. Now children, now we'll see the next state, that is the Meghalaya. So Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya. Here languages spoken, that is English, Garo and Khasi. In Sanskrit, Meghalaya means abode of clouds. This state is famous for its well-known Indi silk, Cherrapunji, Garo Hills, Butterfly Museum are famous place in Meghalaya. You can see here children. In the Sanskrit, Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya. Languages spoken here, English, Garo and Khasi. Clear children? So this is about the Meghalaya. So here I will show the one image of Meghalayan people, how they wear the traditional dress. You can see children, the traditional dress of Meghalaya. It looks very beautiful, no? Yes. So children, next state we will see, that is the Mizoram. Which one is the next one? Mizoram. As well is the capital city of Mizoram. Here the languages spoken, that is the Mizo, Lushai, Bengali and English. As well is also called City of the Hills because of its lakes, hills and the scenic beauty. This city is also called the city on the hill. Clear children? The state is known for its scenic beauty. So which is the capital city of Mizoram children here? The capital city of Mizoram is Aizawl. Next one is what here? Mizoram. Capital is Aizawl. The languages spoken here, Mizo, M-I-Z-O children. It is a Mizo, Bengali and English. So Aswal is also called city on the hills. So I will write here, then it is easy for you. Aswal is also called the city on the hill. The city on the hill. Clear, children? And the state is known for its scenic beauty. Bamboo dust is the very famous in the Mizoram. Bamboo dust. Have you seen the bamboo dust, children? They will use the 4 big bamboos like this it is, and the 3 person will catch here, and again 3 person here, and then here 2 person is here, and the 2 person here. So they will shake that, and the person who is dancing, that person have to jump on that bamboos. So the bamboo dance is very famous in the Mizoram. You can see the image, I will show you. So here you can see children how they are dancing on the bamboos. This is called the bamboo dance in Mizoram. See how the person are holding the bamboos and they are shaking, and the ladies are jumping on that. You know? Yes, so this is called the bamboo dance. I will show you the images of the Mizoram people. See the traditional dress of the Mizoram people. So this is about the Mizoram. So here Aswal is the capital city of Mizoram. Languages spoken here Mizo, Bengali and English. Aswal is, so here children, Aswal is also called the city on the hills. Aswal is also called the city on the hills, and the state is known for its scenic beauty. Bamboo dance is famous in the Mizoram. The next we'll see the Nagaland. Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland, and here languages spoken, that is the English, Nagamisi, Sema and O. This is the languages spoken in the Nagaland. Hornbill festivals they are celebrating very grand. They will wear the traditional dress, and then they will wear the Hornbill festival. Clear, children? So next is the Nagaland. What is that? Next is the Nagaland, and the which is the capital city? Kohima is the capital city. Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland. Languages spoken here English, then Nagamisi, then next is the Sema, and the last one is the O. So these are the languages spoken in the Nagaland. Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival is the traditional festival for the Nagaland. Hornbill. Hornbill Festival is the traditional festivals. They will wear the traditional dress, and then they will celebrate the Hornbill festivals. Here you can see, children. So here you can see these people. They are celebrating the Hornbill festival, children. This festival usually take place between 1 and 10 December every year in Kohima. The aim of this festival is to revive and protect the rich culture traditional of Nagaland. See the way they wear the traditional dresses. So here, children, Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland. Languages spoken there English, Nagamisi, Sima and Yo. Hornbill festivals they are celebrating. The aim of to celebrate this festival is that to revive and protect the rich culture or tradition of Nagaland. Clear, children? So next we see the Odisha. So Bhubaneswar is the capital city of Odisha. Here the language is spoken that is the Oriya or Odia. Clear, children? Oriya or Odia. So here I will write. The next state is Odisha. So next is what? Odisha, and the capital city is the Bhubaneswar. What is the capital city here? Bhubaneswar, and the languages here spoken that is the Oriya or Odia. See here I am writing the both, okay children, Oriya and, or you can say the Odia. Clear, children? So this state is known for Hirakud Dam, Chilka Lake and the Bhitarkanika National Park. For this state is a very famous. For what? First is the Hirakud Dam, next is the Chilka Lake and the next one is the Bhitarkanika National Park. So these are some important place. So the Odisha is very famous. So Odissi is the popular dance from the Odisha people. Odissi is the popular dance. Odissi. See how it is. Odissi. That is the Odissi is a popular dance. It is a popular dance from Odisha. Sun temple of Konark we can see in the Odisha. Jagannath Puri we can see in the Odisha. Let me show some images of children. Some images of the temples. Here you can see children, Odissi is a popular dance form. Odisha people, they will wear the traditional dress and they perform the dance. The next you can see the Sun Temple of Konark. The Sun Temple. Next you can see the Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. So this state known for Hirakud Dam, Chilka Lake and Bhitarkanika National Park. Okay children, see the Bhubaneswar is the capital city of Odisha. Languages spoken here Oriya and or Odia. Odissi is a popular dance from the Odisha. Here we can see the Sun Temple of Konark and Jagannath Puri also we can see in the Odisha only. The next we see the Punjab state children. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. Punjabi is the language they will speak in Punjab, and Bhangra means what here? Bhangra, balle se they say no. Bhangra is the famous folk dance in the Punjab, and the Punjab is the literally means is what? Punjab literally means land of 5 rivers. Land of 5 rivers, that is the Bees, Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum and Jhelum. Jhelum and Jhelum it is. Okay children, don't confuse. Here we can see the Golden Temple, Amritsar. So this is about the Punjab. What is the next here? Next is the Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. Capital is Chandigarh, and the languages spoken there, that is the Punjabi. One language only in the Punjab, that is the Punjabi. Bhangra is the famous folk dance in Punjab. Bhangra is the folk dance in Punjab. And the Punjab is literally means, what is that? The land of 5 rivers. It is literally means the, I will write down, Punjab. So I am writing here everything, so you have to see it clearly. Literally, Punjab literally means the land of, what is that? Land of 5 rivers. Land of 5 rivers. That is Bees, Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum and Jhelum. Okay children, in the Punjab you can see the Golden Temple where the Punjabi peoples will go for prayer. So this Amritsar Golden Temple children, you can see in the Punjab. Next you can see here Bhangra, a vibrant folk dance. They will wear the traditional dress and perform the Bhangra. So next we see the Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, and Jaipur also called the Pink City. Next we'll see the Rajasthan. Next state is what children? Rajasthan. And which is the capital city of Rajasthan? Tell me. Yes, Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan, and Jaipur also called the Pink City children. Do you know why it is called the Pink City, Jaipur? Due to the dominant color scheme of its building. That building, it's all the buildings colors. It's a which color? It's a pinkish color only. So due to the dominant color scheme of its building, it is also called the Pink City. So Jaipur also called the Pink City. Clear, children? Here the languages spoken, that is a Hindi and Rajasthani. The languages spoken here, Hindi and Rajasthani. Clear, children? So here Rajasthan literally meaning is what here? Land of king. What is the literary meaning here? Land of king. So largest marble producer we can see in the Rajasthan, Sariksha Tiger Reserve and the Ranthambore National Park we can see in the Rajasthan. Clear, children? So let me show the Rajasthan image. In the Rajasthan we can see the desert, sandy area. You know, Rajasthan is a very dry area because of the less rainfall. So here you can see Thar, the great Indian desert. You know, this place is very dry because of the less rainfall. Okay, children? Yes, children, Rajasthan is also famous for the largest marble producer and Sariksha Tiger Reserve, Ranthambore National Park. So Rajasthan is a very dry area and the literary meaning is what here? Land of king. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. Jaipur also called the Pink City. Languages spoken here, Hindi and Rajasthani. Clear, children? Next is the Sikkim state. Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Languages here spoken, that is the Nepali, English. And this area, the Sikkim is a mountainous region. So here we can see the third highest peak in the world, that is the Kanchenjunga. Clear, children? So next is what here? Sikkim. Next state is here Sikkim and the Gangtok is the capital city. Capital is, what is that? Gangtok. Okay, children. So here languages spoken in the Sikkim, that is the Nepali and English. Languages spoken here, Nepali and English. One more is that, children, Lepcha. One more language is that Lepcha. It is a Lepcha. Okay. So Sikkim is the mountainous region. So here we can see the third highest peak in the world, that is a Kanchenjunga. So here you can see that image, children, Sikkim. It is the mountainous region. You know? Yes. So the third highest peak in the world we can see here, that is a Kanchenjunga. I will show the image of a famous dance from Sikkim, that is Kentenzong. A form of dance, you can see the way they are dressing. It is the traditional dance that is called the Kentenzong in Sikkim. Okay, children. So here Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Languages spoken here, Nepali, English, Lepcha. Kentenzong is the form of dance of Sikkim. This area is the mountainous, Sikkim is the mountainous region. So we can see the third highest peak in the world, that is the Kanchenjunga. So next is the Tamil Nadu. Next state is Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. The languages spoken in Tamil Nadu, that is Tamil and English. Tamil Nadu is also called the land of temple because of the Brideshwar temple. Bharatnatyam is the famous dance in Tamil Nadu. So let me write. So next state is Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city. Capital is Chennai. And languages spoken there. That is Tamil and English. Tamil and English. Tamil Nadu is also called the land of temple. It is also called the land of temple because the Brideshwar temple, you can see here children image. So here you can see the Brideshwar temple. Next you can see the Bharatnatyam. So this is about the Tamil Nadu. So Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Languages spoken here Tamil and English. Tamil Nadu is also called the land of temple. Clear children? Bharatnatyam is the famous dance in Tamil Nadu. Next we see the Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. Languages here spoken, that is the Telugu, English and Urdu. Telangana is the famous for the Charminar and Bongir Fort. So next state is Telangana. Telangana, capital city is Hyderabad. Capital city is the Hyderabad. Languages spoken here, that is the English. Languages spoken here, English, Urdu and Telugu. Telangana is famous for its Charminar and Bongir Fort. Charminar, I will write here children. And the next one is the Bongir Fort. So let me show the images of the Charminar. So here you can see children, Charminar in Telangana. Next you can see the Rampa temple, which is built in 1213 AD. because of Charminar, Rampa Temple and Bhongir Fort. Hyderabad is very famous. So here Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. Languages spoken in Telangana, that is English, Urdu, Telugu, and it is famous for its Charminar, Bhongir Fort and the Rampa Temple. So children, I will stop here only, and the remaining states I will continue in the next class. I hope you will enjoy it. So let me revise whatever we finished in today's class. In the today's class we discussed about the Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya. Aizawl is the capital city of Mizoram. Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland. Bhubaneswar is the capital city of Odisha. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu and Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. So these all the states we discussed in the today's class. So let me give the some homework whatever I finished in this video. So homework children. Fill in the blanks. First one. Jaipur is also called the dash city. Second one, Tamil Nadu is also called the land of dash. Now last one, dash is also called the land of 5 rivers. So this is the homework children for you. You have to write in the social part. Yesterday also I given the same thing only. So write the date and there only continue. Clear children? The remaining state I will continue in the next class. Thank you children.